I can't say more than enough about the people who work here. Without the people, this company would not be what it is.
I believe that people are the engine behind the brand. It feels like one big family.
My name is Jesper van der Stende and I'm a product specialist for utility products.
My name is Amos Akliwaman. What I do is customer service and I'm responsible for the CEVA European warehouse.
My name is Pim Nolting. I'm the marketing lead for Vermeer EMEA.
So my name is Francine Reniers. I'm the inventory and customer support manager.
My name is Marciano Angula and my title is warehouse employee.
My name is Bruce Braithwaite and I'm the regional manager for EMEA.
My name is Tim Truick. I'm a senior design engineer at Vermeer International. I work basically on new machine designs.
The team feels like one big group of friends. If we need help, we can definitely ask other colleagues to help out.
Everybody knows each other. Everybody has an own function or a title. But it doesn't matter over here because we can talk to each other. So I like the people that I work with, the job that I have. That's the reason that I go to work every day.
Well, Vermeer is a family-owned business. It's also family-run. And that's what I love about Vermeer. And that's what you will see over here at EMEA as well. We're one big family because without our colleagues, we're nowhere and we cannot sell our products. So that's the Vermeer brand for me.
It's a really great place. It's a place with fun people, loving and plays in the family traditions. Although the machine is important, the most important thing is the people, the customers, our employees, everything. And you really feel that in here. So it's not just a premium brand that you're coming to, it's a premium people.
At lunchtime, different guys at the same table, talking, babbling over life and history, as equals, as friends. And that's the main thing here. It is a teamwork. There's no place you can say, I did this, I did that. It's always, we did this. It's friendlier, it's happier. And that's what's a real advantage of working for a company here.
We care about each other, definitely. Working with Vermeer is just a passion. It's not a thing that you are doing from 8 till 5. It's the open discussions that you can have, the trust that they give you. I'm very proud to work for the Vermeer company and I have still yellow bloods, which I intend to keep.
And I think it's always so important for us to believe in something. Everybody's really excited about what we're doing, and not only within our product group, but what this product does for the rest of the world and our communities. If anybody wants to come and work for an organization where there's great spirit, great camaraderie, good opportunity for personal growth, this is the place to be.